Alright, I'm doing the Komodo 3000 fountain by Phantom Fireworks today for Barbecue Rando. I was watching a video of his and I told him he should check out the Komodo 3000. He didn't know what it was, so I told him next firework video I'm going to get that and I'm going to light that off for him. So this is for Barbecue Rando. Anyways, Komodo 3000. It's supposed to last over 4 minutes, you see there. We'll see what actually happens. There's your different effects there. So this is pretty much the flagship fountain that Phantom makes, about the biggest one they make. They got a couple other this size, but this is the classic one that's been around forever. Got some 200 grams back there I'm lighting off next. Check out the fireworks playlist if you want to see everything you missed. And of course subscribe and hit the bell for all future videos. Well, we got a bunch of snow out here, so it should light up the background pretty nice. If I can find the wick here, where is it? There it is. That Indian was pretty sweet. By the way, guys, if you shop at Fandom, you absolutely have to take advantage of their sales and their coupons, and it's better just to become a member like I am, because everything's half off any day of the year. But the coupons help out a lot too, and you still get those coupons while you're a member, because their on-the-shelf prices are ridiculous. But you got to know how to play their system so you can get a decent price on their stuff. So like I said, I'm Premier, so I get it half off every day anyways. But for that, I actually used a 70% off coupon for a single item. So I only paid like 20 something for that, because I think shelf price is like $70, so I only paid 20 something for it with that coupon. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to see what you missed, check out the firework playlist. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.